that one forming?
Ooh.
Yeah. It just quit, though.
I'm staying really close to the door.
You can go outside if you want. But if I yell for you guys, you better be listening. Okay? To go in the basement.
Storm's almost past us now. Up there. See, it's getting lighter.
Uh-huh. Here's the one coming down again.
Yep.
What? I can't hear you, babe.
It's either moving away or getting ready to start a tornado.
It's moving away. Hopefully that's all it's doing.
Oh, did it get lighter?
Yeah, because it's moving away. Go look at channel 8, see what it says. It should tell you where the storm's at.
Is it just channel 8?
Or channel 3. But I like channel 8's radar better.